Hello designers, this is Isaac Graphics. This particular flyer here is going to be our lesson for today. Right. Okay, to achieve this flyer, I'll start from a partition of pictures. Okay, so I have like many pictures here to import, but before that, let's go to the size of the flyer. Okay, so we'll set our background color to be white. Okay, so we'll set white as our background color. Then we'll go to image size. So what I used here was 60 the weight and 55 height. Okay, so I will start from importation of pictures as I said. Okay, so I will click on import as many times as I can. Okay, so I'm on my gallery now, so I'm just waiting for it to load. Alright, so I'll go to so I will import this one first of all. So I will import this one as well. Then I will go to download. I want to import the social media symbols or icons. Okay, here we go. This will go first, I think. And this will go secondly. I still have more to import. So let's go to pins. Okay, I have this one to import. Okay, so let me check how many that is remaining. Okay, the logo, let me import the logo as well. The logo of this brand. Okay, I'll click on import once again. This time around I'll go to PixelLab and I'll search for the logo of this brand, and here we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I am going to import the two watches, but that's gonna be later. So what I'm going to do now is that I will hide all the pictures and I will use them one after another. Okay, so let's start something here. Okay, let me start from this logo now. Let me crop it. Okay, this logo has to be here. Okay, so after the logo now, I'll go to this A. I'll click on text and I'll put on the brand name, which is BMB Communications. Okay, I will bring it down here. Alright, so I'll go to style. I'll click on bold. Then I will also go to font, and I want to use Bebas. So let me try Bebas. Yeah, Bebas. Then I will increase the size of this name. I will go to color. I'll choose pure black. Pure black, okay. And okay, so I'll click on shape. Sorry, I'll click on shape, and I'll place it right here. So you see this radius. Okay, so we drag this radius, make the radius to get to 10%, and you mark, then you go to color and you choose this color. This is not pure red, please. Okay, this is a kind of deep orange color. Right. Okay, so let's go to right up again. So we buy, we sell, and swap iOS devices. Okay, and I will write we buy, we sell, iOS devices. So we'll bring it down here now. We buy, we sell iOS devices. So I'll go to color. I'll choose black. Then I'll go to style, and I'll click on bold. Then I'll go back to color again. So that iOS is having another color. So what I will do here, just watch here. Watch very well here now. So I will now highlight only the iOS. Only the iOS, and I will choose this color, and I will choose this color here. Okay, for the iOS. Okay, then I will mark. All right. Okay, so what's the next thing now? Okay, so let's increase the size of this page. I think this should be 60, and this should be 65. Okay, no. Okay, let's leave it like that. So what we're going to do is that we'll see how we can bring down the size of this. Okay, so we'll leave this one up a little bit, and this one. Okay, so now let's create a shape. Click on shape now. This is for the wrist watch, the two wrist watch that we have. Okay, so you tap on this radius now. So you increase the radius to like 5%. All right, and you mark it. After marking it, just go to texture. Okay, so when you get to texture, you now click on this gallery icon. It will now take you to your gallery. So I'm going to my gallery now. Okay, I'm going to pins, and I'll select this which one comes first. Okay, let me select this now. Okay, and here we go. All right, so after this, go to stroke, and you enable this. So enable this now, and you choose this color to be your stroke color, and you increase the stroke color to increase to like 7, or okay, 7 is okay. And okay, go back to edit again, increase the radius to 10%, and you can also bring down the size to like 12%. Then after this, now what you do is just to click on copy. Instead of to create another shape, just click on copy. So you copy it. When you copy it, you bring it down close to it. Then you go back to texture to change the picture. Okay, so you click on texture, then you click here. Alright, so you are going back to your gallery now to change the picture. So this time around we'll choose this one. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and okay, so let's organize some things here. I'll click on this logo and I will set the okay, let's say the size is okay, or should I reduce it to 12, 13? Okay, and I'll place it down here. So this BNB communication, I'll put it up. Okay, so this one will go up, and I'll go back to edit to reduce the size a little bit. Alright, so this will come here. Okay, so we sell iOS devices will come up. Okay, this is too big, too bold. I have to change the font. Let me change the font to okay, Epistola. Yeah, okay, I'm choosing Epistola so that the boldness will come down. Okay, so full stop. Okay, the next thing here, we'll lift this up, this one. Okay, I've just find out that the stroke of this particular one is too much, so go back to stroke now. I'll reduce it to 5. Click on this one and reduce it to 5. Okay, 5. Okay, so I'll now use this position arrow and lift it up and leave this one up as well. Okay, so make sure that both of them are in the same horizontal line. Okay, so the next thing, iOS gadgets and devices. Okay, we still have another right up here, so let's just click on this and say copy. We'll edit it, then we'll put iOS devices. Let me check that again. Okay, devices and gadgets, iOS devices and gadgets. Which one conflicts? iOS. Okay, iOS gadgets and devices. Sorry. iOS gadgets and devices. Okay, so this time around we'll now change the color to white. All of them should be white, and I will bring it here. Alright, iOS gadgets and devices. Okay, so what's the next thing here? Okay, let me bring these two items down. Okay, so let's click on shape again to bring in the last shape here. Okay, instead of creating another shape, okay, delete it. Why not click on this one already and say copy and bring it down here? So go back to edit. You now reduce the size and you stretch it this way and bring it down here. So reduce the radius size to like 5%. Yeah, so this is cool. And we can now lock this one, and it's now time for us to bring in the other pictures. But before that, let's create this shape at the top. Okay, so now let's click on shape again. You see this arrow by the side of the box. Choose circular shape. Okay, so inside the circular shape now you see gradient. So click on gradient, choose the empty space, then you see this stroke width. So increase the stroke width to like 15. Okay, and choose the stroke color to be this color, and you mark it. So now bring this one up here. Okay, if this is too big, you go back and reduce the size of the stroke to 10. Yeah, I think this is cool. Okay, that's it. We lock. Okay, so now let's start bringing in the pictures. So we can now release the pictures. You can release this one. You can release this one. So let me lock other ones that we have already done. So bring in the picture. So we can increase this now and place it. You can place it right here. Increase a little bit. Okay, so let's release the next one. Release this one. So we decrease the size and we'll put it right here. Okay, so let's release the next one. Okay, we still have more to import. We still have like okay, let's release this one. I think this one is among them. So increase the size. Okay, so place this right here, and there is one more to import. Okay, I want to increase the size of this one. Okay, there's one more to import, so click on import now, so that you can search for it. I think that's this. one. Okay, yeah. So if you check now, this one is having a background. Okay, if you want to remove the background, just go to erase color. See erase color here, and enable it. The color will be erased. Okay, in case you have any problem like this. So now can now decrease the size, and I will put it here. Okay, I'm trying to set it well. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now is to we'll go to shadow. You can see shadow here, so we'll enable shadow, we choose black color, and you see this offset Y. So you take this offset Y to like, okay, to like 5, and you see this blur radius, you take this blur radius to like 5 also. Then you click on the next image, you do the same thing, take this blur radius to 5, then offset Y to 5 also. Okay, this particular one will do the same thing, blur radius to 5 and offset Y to 5 also. Okay, so the next thing here is to bring in the social media icon. So I have them here, so I just have to release them. Okay, let me release this one first, and we bring it in front. You can see there are many, so you click on crop here. So you crop the one that you want to put first. Okay, I think I want to bring in the WhatsApp icon first, and I will now decrease the size. Okay, 5 is okay, and I'll bring it down here. Okay, let's bring it down to 4. All right, and I'll bring it down here, and we'll bring in the next one, and we crop. So we'll crop this one now. Call symbol. Okay, the call symbol is the next one. So also decrease the size, and we'll bring it down. Okay. Okay, the call symbol now, we can change the color to black. So click on color and choose black. Okay, and what's the next thing here? The Facebook. Okay, the Facebook icon. So we'll click on this, so we'll copy, and we crop again, and we'll carry this one to Facebook. And I'll bring it down. Okay, the Facebook icon should be here. All right. Okay, so now let me delete this now. Let me delete this so that we can do something. The next thing to do here now is to arrange your work. Okay, make sure that your work is clean. So I'm not gonna be putting the numbers for time's sake. So now, you see here is where you put your phone number. Put your phone number here. Then put your social media address here, and what again? So you see this grid line is very important. So when you click on it, you click on grid line setting. That's here. So now you can now move this. So now use this to arrange your work very well. Okay, I'll play this one here. Then I'll carry this one, this particular one, and put it below here. This is to make my work well arranged. Okay, you see this Facebook now. This one have to come down here, and the call icon, that's this, and the WhatsApp, okay, they will move back. Okay, I want to move them back now here. All right, so what again? And I'll move all of this back now, so you can see. Okay, let's say the logo of the brand. Okay, I'll move it back. Okay, and I'll stop all of them at the line. All right, so I'll move this one back. iOS devices. Okay, let me just open them so that we can be fast. Okay, iOS devices. iOS devices, where is it? Okay, iOS devices, I will now move it back as well. Bring it at the center of the shape. Okay, we buy, we sell iOS devices. I also move it back. Okay, so this is just to arrange my work very well. So this is the 2 wristwatch. So I highlight 2 of them, and I will move them back. Okay, all right. And so you can now save your design. Okay, after you have put your number and your social media um platform here. So thank you so much for watching. See you on our next design. God bless you.